Hi, welcome to GladyTechFix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix Spotify APK not working. Now, the first thing you have to know that if your Spotify APK is not working, maybe you were able to install it from your website, that's your browser, any of the browser. I will advise you that this is what you have to do. Go to your Play Store or App Store, depending on your device. So when you get there, all you have to do is to search for Spotify. Yeah? So when you search for Spotify, you just have to install it on your device. If yours is not updated, you have to update it. That way your Spotify APK will not work. But it is advisable to always install apps from your Play Store, App Store, for it to be more legal and more safe, and your information will be more safe there. So as you can see, my Spotify is active. That is it. So you can now play any of the song you want to really watch from this section and catch fun. So guys, that is it on how to fix Spotify APK not working. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow GladyTechFix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.